This is the waveform antenna that I purchased for my T-Mobile 5G business internet. This is temporarily placed here on our ladder on the back of our RV, and as you can see, the cables run right here, and I've got them going down into the bedroom window on the RV. I will fix this permanently when I decide exactly how I want to put this, but right now this thing has greatly increased our internet. If we had the modem, even if we put the modem sitting right here plugged in, we were getting about 20 to 30 megs of download, about 8-ish to 10-ish upload with, I don't know, I think it was like a 60 or 70 millisecond ping time. When I added this antenna, we're getting over 350 megs now download, getting about 25 megs upload, and we're getting about 30 millisecond ping times. So it has greatly, just dramatically increased the download speeds and our connection speeds. Plus, it's actually increased the stability, because even though we were getting connection up here, it wasn't always real stable. It would bounce around. Now, if I put the modem up here, of course, now it's outside and it isn't supposed to be outside. So that's the other advantage of this, is I can run the cable to the outside, because if I put the modem where it is now without the external antenna, I think maybe 2 to 3 megs was all I was getting from inside the RV. And to give you an idea where we're up in the mountains where the closest town is pretty far away. As you can see, that is not a cell tower actually, if you see in the distance. That is a peer-to-peer network. And as you can see all the way around us, really no town in sight. But about 5 or 6 miles that way, there is a T-Mobile antenna, and that's what I'm pointing at with this directional antenna that's getting me this awesome signal. All right, well, I hope this information was helpful. Thank y'all very much for watching. Take care.